This is Camlin 2.0 mm mechanical pencil. This pencil cost rupees 25, comes with a free lead pack which contains 3 extra leads. The design of this cover itself is very simple. Don't even they named the pencil. Just they mentioned that it is a 2.0 mm mechanical pencil from Camlin. Just a bulky box with 3 leads, 2.0 mm, 2B. The shade. The pencil looks interesting, neatly done, blue with black, gives a nice look, a fantastic look, a rubberized grip given here. Nice pencil, nice design, but the name itself is not given. It is having the sharpener at the top of the cap, a small tiny eraser which caps the lead insert pipe. Yes, the lead comes in. We can sharpen the lead using this sharpener, and don't forget to clean it. Triangular grip, rubberized grip, gives a comfortable feel while writing. Altogether, the design of the pencil looks nice with a shiny plastic and rubberized grip. Let's check the writing impression. Dark. It is dark. Always Camlin lids gives a dark impression while compared with other brands. Let's check the shade. This pencil is a 2.0 mm pencil. We think that this kind of pencils will be the alternate for the wooden pencils. So they are given the pencil with a nice design and unique design. Nice pencil at this price point from Camlin, rupees 25. Thanks for watching.